Alright, hello guys, it's Cloak and Tunic again, this time playing Risk of Rain 2.
Oh yeah, this game is it's pretty new. It's in early access right now. We're going into this blind.
Yeah, we don't really know what we're doing.
Yeah, I've played a few rounds, but I'm still pretty new, testing the water, so let's just dive right in.
Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, so let's just go on easy difficulty for now. And artifacts doesn't let me change anything, but whatever. Okay, I'm ready.
I don't think any of this matters. Okay, I'm ready too. Locked in. Okay, so double tap. Oh,
Titanic plane.
need to escape pod.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, this is always the first level. The few levels I've started, it's always started here.
Huh. Okay.
So
oh, there's a
Look at
little box over here thing.
you know what we look like?
What? Ooh.
We look like mini Mysterios
Oh. I know
from
what you're talking-
Spider-Man.
Yeah. Okay, $34 for this one. What is that?
Oh, that pretty sure that just like boosts you up. So okay, here's what I'm wondering. Do we share gold in this?
It seems like it.
Oh god. Okay,
Whoa.
so and like when you open a chest, I guess we'll find it. Here, come over here. Open that.
Oh.
Grab it. Okay, so I guess. Oh damn.
Wait,
So I guess only one of us could get it.
Okay, yeah, because I still have my money.
You
Interesting.
still. Oh.
I still have the.
Oh, you still have your
49.
money and. God damn. Okay, so. Okay, yeah. So the difficulty increases as time goes on.
Okay, how do we get new guns?
You see that? You see that on the top right? New guns.
Top right. Oh, I see.
I think we keep the same guns. Hey, can you buy this for me then? Since I bought you something.
Yeah, I need $1 more. Oh. Okay, I'll open it. Here.
Let's see what I got.
How do I use the
Okay.
thing that I got?
It just it uses automatically. Like the one I got, it says move fast out of combat. It's like a red whip. What
I
is
got like
this
a
thing?
rocket launcher thing, but I don't know how to
Pray
use it.
to Shrine of the Mountain. Oh,
Oh, is this money?
I don't know what that is. I don't know what this does either. Pray to Shrine of the... I don't know. Okay, so find and activate a teleporter. Okay. Now this is seems pretty doable for now. You know, nothing too crazy.
It's pretty fun. I like how it's kind of fast-paced.
I know, yeah. It's a nice change.
Oh, what is
It
that?
really reminds me of Astroneer a lot,
Oh, does it? Yeah.
doesn't it? Like
Combat-focused astronaut.
it's just yeah.
What is this? Pray to Shrine of Combat. Oh, I just did that. What did it do?
Oh. Dude, we're tearing.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez, there's another one.
Huh?
We're tearing
Whoa.
through these guys, man.
Oh, maybe we get stronger as like the waves go by or something? Or not?
I
don't
think
know.
it's just more money, and we just like we have to explore this place, get as many chests as we can to
Whoa.
strengthen ourselves.
I see.
Okay, help me with this guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see any more chests?
Not right now, no.
Okay, there's something over here.
Oh yeah.
Try to find a teleporter.
Teleporter? What do those look like?
Ooh, okay.
Bandolier.
Chance on kill to drop ammo pack that resets cooldown.
Oh, we have ammo. What?
No. It like it meant like cooldowns.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah, see the little belt around me?
Yeah.
We gotta get you another chest.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I keep forgetting that shift isn't like sprint.
Dude, it took me so long to get that down. It's ridiculous. It's like, did you ever play Skyrim and Fallout on the PC?
Not really.
Okay, like I'm pretty sure Skyrim. Yeah, you press Alt to sprint, and then in Fallout it's Shift, but in Fallout,
Oh.
Alt is the grenade button.
Oh, okay.
So I would always mix those up, and I just like keep blowing myself. Oh, come over here. There's a chest here I could open for you.
Whoa, there's one of these boss flying guys.
Jesus.
Whoa.
How's it not dead? Okay. Yeah.
So
come
we
here.
like regenerate health too, huh?
Yeah, slowly. I'll take that.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, nice.
What is that? Red
Oh,
whip,
here's
move
like a little
faster,
dispensary. Dispensary. I meant What do you call it? Oh, should I get the?
What are these weapons?
I'm gonna get the soda pop. Cause you have one too.
Oh, it's closed now? What?
It's like you pick one. Sorry, I can't. Here, take this one.
Oh, you keep... Okay, thanks. Armor, deal extra damage to bosses.
That's
Yeah.
good. Ew, where
Do we have
is
fall
this?
damage?
I believe so. Yeah, yeah, we do.
You tried it.
I'm not seeing the teleporter.
Oof. I found another one of those, like, 3 item things.
Just take it. Look
It's up
at
there.
which one you don't have.
Yeah. Whoa. Behind you,
Hmm.
watch out.
Behind me?
Oh, wait, I got it.
Oh, I found the teleporter. Can you make your way to me?
Yeah. Wait, what's that gonna do? Teleport us to, like, another area? Or...
Trust me, baby. Trust me. You just need to trust me. Here, ready?
Okay.
Boss fight.
Oh, no.
Oh yes. Where is
Where?
it?
Oh, there it is.
Let's go.
Oh, there's a bunch of bad guys.
Oh wait, what the? There's two?
What?
Oh, I'm not. Oh, what?
So make sure you use your right click whenever it loads then.
Definitely.
Oh,
And
wait.
are you pressing R by the way?
Oh, what does that do again?
Press R. It's like a rapid.
Oh, yeah. Okay, one of them's almost dead. Okay, one of them's dead.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, so it
Oh,
does
and-
double the amount of
Oh
enemies.
my god.
I mean,
my
actually. Where are you? Where are you?
God. Dude, I'm dying.
Oh, don't die. Just get out of there. Where you at, brother?
I'm on the other side of this
Wait.
rock. Oh, we're stuck in
There's-
this one area? Oh, shit.
No, you could get out of it.
Ah. How? Oh, you mean like you can run?
Wait,
out
there's
of
3 of them?
it? Guess.
Why is there 3 of them?
Wait, how are you
Or wait,
still
am I-
alive?
Oh, never mind. I'm seeing double. No, actually, no, I'm not. I'm
There were
definitely
3
not
of them.
seeing.
I killed one of them though.
Yeah. Can you get over here and help me, please?
I'm right next to you, I think.
Oh,
I'm getting.
what is happening?
What in the?
Dude, okay, I thought we were ready for this. Because,
Oh, man.
like, when I was playing alone, I tore through this boss easily.
Really?
But I guess, like, we don't have...
Aren't we on easy mode
Sharing
too?
the power-ups?
Oh, I see. Yeah, maybe that's it.
It's almost dead, Or at least one is. Okay. Jesus, oh Jesus.
What is that?
I think we should just focus fire on the
Boss.
boss.
Yeah. Oh, okay, nice.
Okay, now the teleporter is ready. Dude, let's just get out of here. Look
Wait,
at that.
where are you? Ah! Ah! Oh!
Get the...
What happened?
It got teleported.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Wow, we're only at 8 minutes. See the top
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Wow. We burned that pretty fast, huh?
Oh, but we don't have any more money.
Well, yeah, restarts. Because we could have just farmed that.
Okay, so once we beat the bosses, that's when we move on to the next stage, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
And-
So we
and
can...
the-
Oh, I
oh,
fell. Oh. Wait, you could just keep dying? Doesn't matter?
Wait, are you alive?
Yeah, I just spawned back here.
Oh. Do you have your stuff on you?
Yeah, I still have my stuff.
Alright, let's not do that again.
Yeah.
Oh! Jeez.
Oh!
All right. So, what are your impressions of this game so far?
So far, I like it. I didn't even know what I was getting into. It's pretty fun. I kind of like this fast-paced sort of stuff.
Me too. Me too. It's a nice change of pace. You know, we've been playing Astroneer so much. It's been so like pretty relaxed so far. I'd say.
Primarily.
You know?
Okay. So I wonder how long we can. Oh! Don't shoot the little vases.
Oh yeah, that's for
blow up.
sure. Oh, come over to me if you have money.
They-
There's some stuff over here.
Alright. I keep getting like Discord messages. I can hear them. Lunar coin. What is that?
Oh, we're gonna need that for something. Okay, I actually don't know. Here, over here. There's some oh, what was that? Yeah, right here.
What is that? What is it? Enter.
Oh, that's for your Q. If you press Q, you do like for a short amount of time you do
Oh, a lot of damage.
critical damage.
Oh, it lasts a minute too.
Yeah.
I guess.
It has a long recharge though. All right, let's start looking for that. Excuse me, what do you call it? The thing? The teleporter. Yes.
Wait, you want to fight the boss already?
Yeah.
Dang. Are you sure? Should we try and get like more power-ups?
I've got that big energy dick, man. What do you expect? Yeah, we should probably. I mean, let's find it first, because that takes a while, and probably by the time we find it, we'll have killed enough of these cucks.
Dude, this area has a lot of. Or this area looks like really big.
Yeah.
Really large.
Okay. We should probably stick together too.
Let's go. Oh wait, yeah, come this way.
Okay.
I think I found something. Oh wait, no. Never mind.
Here,
Oh,
come to me. There's a whole new area over here.
Okay.
Yusuf. What is this? So notice on the top right, it's about to hit medium difficulty.
Oh.
So it's like the longer you play. Like if you started on hard mode. Oh, just kidding. Wrong way. Oh. Taking damage.
It's over there.
It's nothing. You go out of balance and you start taking damage.
Oh. Okay.
So yeah, like if you start with hard difficulty, it'll just like the timer will start from there, you know?
Okay. And then like what's after hard though?
Very hard? I don't know.
Wellberry offered to the shrine and gain nothing. Okay. Nice.
I was kind of hoping you didn't see that. Did that twice.
Twice?
Yeah.
And you got nothing.
Yeah, jack shit. Alright. Alright, come on, let's go over here.
Dumb. This is crazy.
Oh. You know it. Are you sprinting?
Yeah.
You got the soda pop on you, so.
Soda pop. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, I don't. I don't have
Hell.
You
Here,
have it.
I opened this for you. You have one too. Oh, what is this?
soda pop. Crowbar.
Crossbar. Oh, crowbar. It's like crossbar.
Oh.
Oh!
Whoa.
Hey, Jimmy. Yeah, long time no see, huh?
Nice.
I'm gonna go explore over here. Hopefully find that damn teleporter.
Yeah, behind
Ooh, Lunar Core coin. Is that what I think it is? Getting this. Oh, I'm getting this for us.
you. What is that? Oh, I have a lot of
oh,
money, so if you need me to
come
buy
down
stuff,
here.
just let me know.
Just get these. I already got these power-ups. Where are you? Come down to me.
Well,
There's a ton of terminals here in a chest. Yeah, get that.
Glasses.
I already have that. I'd say get the ammo chain right there.
Okay.
That's for you.
Ooh, that's behind us.
And then, shit, I guess I'll get this. increases attack speed. It's pretty cool.
I don't even know what the ammo chain does.
It was something. Oh, it's. There's a chance that if you attack an enemy, they'll drop something.
Oh, I see.
That you get like your cooldowns chilled out.
Wow, I'm like dealing a lot of damage.
Good. Yo, where is this
What is this?
goddamn teleporter? Oh, I found it, found it.
What do they look like? Oh, I see.
Oh, shit, I should have given that to you. Okay, you ready for this?
Wait, hold up. Where are you? Oh. Okay. Whoa. Where? Where is it? It's over there.
Follow my voice.
Okay. Ooh.
Today is the day.
Holy. Skirt.
Fuck. Is this the rusty teapot?
Should I show you my cube? Hell yeah.
What was that poem?
What? What?
It wasn't the rusty teapot, the little teapot.
The little teapot? The first.
The rusty teapot. It's like a fucking bootleg. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, we're getting sucked into it. And dying.
Run! Run, Cheyenne!
How?
No, no.
Wait, how are you not dying?
Just shift, just press shift.
Oh, shift. I kept pressing. She.
Oh, he was sucking our life. Did he heal himself?
I think a little bit, yeah.
Bastard. Come on.
It's almost
He's
dead.
not getting away.
There we
There you go. Oh, jeez.
Oof.
Oh my god. This is insane.
The teleporter is like powering up or something. Maybe like when
Yeah,
it finishes, that's when you go back to a new stage or something. Okay. What the? This is crazy.
That boss ain't shit. I'm just glad there wasn't two of them.
Okay, so it looks like it takes us about 8 minutes to finish the stage.
Yeah?
Nice. Okay.
Did you pick up a feather by any chance?
No. Oh, I pressed something. What did I do?
What did you do?
I pressed E on this thing.
Oh, kids tell. Oh!
Wow.
Blink 182, bitches!
Rally Point Delta.
Oh.
What are these? Oh, they're bombs. Okay,
Is
that's
this like a
nice.
village? Oh, no. Oh, it's. Oh. Yo, we're about to peek into a medium level difficulty.
Oh. You mean into a hard level?
Sorry, hard level, yeah.
Wait, so that thing just keeps going? The medium, or easy, medium, hard, or whatever?
Mm-hmm. I believe so. I don't think I've
What
actually...
the? There's like flying, invisible guys?
What is this thing? Oh! Did you see that?
No, what?
He just got sucked back into oblivion. Next time you kill one of the things to watch it. Wow, this place is cool. It kind of reminds me of a Call of Duty map. Look at it, look at it.
Oh, dang.
Holy shit.
There's another one over here. Oh, there's bulls? What the? Oh, these are scary. Whoa! Whoa.
Bulls? Look,
Yeah.
oh!
Whoa, they take a lot of hits.
These are tough boys. Dude, I love these dark entities. Take that. Oh, you already
No,
have
you
it.
took it, you took it.
Deal more damage. Oh, okay.
Where's the rest of the cases?
That was a big map, man. Help me with this boss, or mini boss.
Where? There you go.
You know, I've been thinking about Gacha Force a lot.
Gotcha first. Dude, that'd be a fun game to play.
I'm gonna try to find it.
You should.
I have
Is
a
he-
question. Can you play GameCube games on? Oh no, I guess you can't.
On what?
On the Switch.
No, you can play them on a Wii though.
Yeah.
You don't have a Wii?
I do, but it's shit. I don't even know where it is.
Really?
I'll find it.
I remember it being in your game room before, like not that long ago, maybe.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
Like a year, not even a year ago. Like I think it was during like New Year's or something, you know?
New Year's?
I think
Really?
so.
It was just sitting in the TV room?
Yeah, it was like on.
Oh, what? Wow. That really goes to show how clueless I am. I never really go in that room anymore.
Huh.
No, I'm down. Okay, so then it's most likely in probably one of the oh, watch out, there's a bullet behind you. Probably one of those cabinets,
Nice.
and I guess all I need to do is find the game. I hope it works.
Wait, so what did you do with your GameCube? Like it doesn't work, huh?
Oh, here, take this. No,
Wait.
oh, what the oh!
Oh shit, I got it. Okay.
No, that's okay.
Wait, my guy's just holding it. Look.
It was meant for you, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, shit!
You see it?
You have like a third arm.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna stab a bitch.
How do I do that though?
I think these power-ups are more like
What is it?
assists.
Dude, what is this purple thing? You see it?
No.
Oh,
Oh
it's
yeah, I
like a
do.
dead guy.
Here, come over here. We gotta find the teleporter.
Wait, tell me where one of these things are so I can buy it for you, because you've bought a lot for me. You bought.
I have a lot too. Oh, there's one over here.
Okay.
Come buy me something pretty. Oh Jesus. Oh fuck yeah. This thing, every time I kill an enemy, they drop a healing orb.
What is it?
It's a necklace.
Oh.
See, look at those healing orbs.
Oh.
Can you pick it up too?
Yeah, nice.
Perfect.
That's cool. Well, I hear something big walking towards us. Oh, here it is.
Here, come over here.
Wait, hold up.
Take this sleeve. It's like a sock. Makes you even
It's like a
fast.
sock. Where is it?
See it?
That's over there.
Okay, I'm gonna go searching for the teleporter.
Paul's goat foot.
That's what it was.
Oh, my guy has a goat foot now. What?
Oh, found it.
Oh, the
Ready to take
teleporter.
on this beast?
Oh man, I don't know.
Here. Oh, there's a ton of chests over here.
What is this?
Oh, perfect. They're both the same.
Whoa, big robot. I wish they had like different guns.
You could unlock other characters. It just,
Oh, sorry.
I don't know how to yet. Here. Oh, this is for, I believe, both of us. Okay, I think we're ready.
Was that all the chests that you saw? Oh wait, there's some stuff here.
Good enough. I mean, ours is pretty much packed. Oh, whoa.
Let me see
Okay.
that. Oh,
Sorry.
okay. Whoa.
Oh, it's a big boy demon.
Where is it? Oh,
And it teleports.
whoa.
Oh.
Hell yeah, dude, this Q does a lot of damage.
Good. I don't even have a Q yet. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, there it is. Holy.
Jesus.
This thing keeps disappearing. Oh, the bulls. Watch out for the bulls.
Dude, I love this rock and roll music. It's like we're literally fighting the devil. Taste my metal, bitches!
It's like,
Oh my god. Is it dead? Oh,
yeah.
did you see that?
What?
He pulled him back to hell. That's right. Oh hey, there's ukuleles.
Ukulele?
One for me, one for you. This
What?
ukulele is actually sick.
What does it do?
When you attack them, see that little like lightning beam? It's like a chain attack.
Huh.
It's like if you attack one dude and there's a dude sitting next to him, it like shocks both.
It's actually really fun.
Dude, this is a great game. They really did it, and it's an early access too. Like,
Yeah. I wonder if the first game was anything like this.
I searched it up, and apparently it was like this, but it was 2D.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it was like a 2D arcade platformer.
Huh. So that's why this one's getting so much more attention.
Yeah.
Oh, warrior,
Hey, man.
reach and complete third teleport event without time. Nice. Wait, oh, I guess I didn't ever die, huh? Even though I fell in the water. Maybe you don't die if you fall in the water.
Maybe not.
Whoa.
What the? Abyssal depths. Jeez. Oh god, we're about to reach extra hard.
We've been doing fine.
We have been doing fine.
Dude, this is like hell. We're in hell right now.
We literally went to hell. That demon dragged us down with us. Do you see the ukulele attack?
No, I don't really know
Oh,
what
check it out. See this banner?
Yeah.
If you stand inside it, I think you do it. Oh. Look, it's a Charmander.
The way it died. Whoa. Holy.
Okay. Let's go find these chesties.
Just these.
There's one.
I prayed to it and did I get anything?
Oh, get this, get this.
You have
I
summoned
got-
brass contraptions to fight. Oh, there's this. Whoa, what is this?
There's actually a shit ton of them.
Yeah. It's kind of weak though.
Yeah. I love how they have like hard enemies and the little fucking lizards still running around. Their dicks out.
Okay. So how long are these things gonna keep falling from the sky?
What things?
Because I summoned like brass to help fight us, and it's like these giant
to help
metal
fight
spikes. Yeah.
I don't think they're helping us fight.
You don't think so? That's what it said.
I think we're fighting them.
You think we're fighting them?
Yeah.
What is this? A feather? Hoopu feather?
Oh, I think that gives you a double jump.
Oh, nice. Oh, I got stuck.
See, yeah, dude, we're fighting these brass things. I'm like shooting it.
The brass things? No,
Yeah,
no, I meant
like-
like the spikes. There's like spikes hitting the ground. Or
Oh
there were-
yeah,
there were.
That's the things that they. Oh hey, come up here. Jump
Whoa,
on that
you're all the way up there?
goose geyser.
Okay.
You know, I feel like we should probably tell what the audience what goose means. We're a few videos in, so
Go ahead.
I'll let you do the honors.
No, go ahead, go ahead.
So a goose, me and Shine are both Persian, and a goose in our language, which is Farsi, means fart, pretty much. But-
Yeah, we are very mature.
Oh yeah, so but fart, it just kind of sounds gross, you know?
Okay, the goose guys are.
Yeah. So goose it just sounds more friendly, you know?
Goose.
Very nice.
Alright.
Yeah. If you don't believe us, ask your Persian friends if you have any. If you don't have any, go find some.
What is this?
Okay.
Medkit?
Shrine of. What did I just do? You offered to the shrine, but gained nothing. God damn it.
It's like the third time or something.
I know. What is this? Yeah, they really put a lot into the like level designs here. I love this artwork. I don't really know what to call it.
Whoa, what is this?
Get that. Oh, damn it. Sorry, I already had it.
It's all good.
You should be slacking. Okay, I'm gonna try to jump down there. Oh, okay.
You're gonna jump down there?
No, I just kind of flew. I just kind of. I don't know how to say it. Okay. Teleporter, where art thou?
Wherefore art thou teleporter?
Oh wow. Someone's
Okay.
been studying Shakespeare.
Babe spear.
This Astroneer and Deep Rock Galactic are very like similar in game design.
Yeah, like color palettes and everything.
Yeah. It's like kind of like cartoonish, but not really.
Yeah. Wait, where are we going? We're trying to find the teleporter. Okay, so.
Yes.
Uh,
Ah!
well, there's things from the ground shooting up at me. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I got the turret thing.
Oh, we can go up more.
Here,
Oh,
I'll
maybe-
check the ground levels. What?
I was thinking maybe it could be higher up, but I don't know. It doesn't look like there's much area to go up from here.
Here, come over here.
I'm fighting some guys right now. Hold up.
I got a medic drone. Oh, I see you. Yeah, over here I got this syringe that makes you attack faster.
Syringe. Oh, hold on.
It's very GG. Very GG.
Viddy.
See me?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Oh yeah! His music was electric!
Oh, I fell. Whoa.
Don't worry, come here. My medic drone will take care of you.
Oh, I got a medic drone too.
Oh. Where are you?
What is this? Ooh.
Oh, you're over there. Yeah,
Red
come up
whip.
here. Hello, Big Bob Drew. There you go.
Holy. What is this offer? Shrine. Gain nothing.
No, not that, not that. On the ground right here.
Where? Oh, these. Syringe. Soul.
Damn it! I'm not giving up.
Dude, where is this teleporter?
That's a good question. Very good question indeed. Another medic drone? Oh, we are chilling.
I got sticky
Oh, found
bomb.
it. Found it.
Wait, I have 2 sticky bombs. I don't even know how to use them.
I think you just use them.
Oh,
I'm actually not sure.
they don't tell
You
you.
ready to do this teleporter?
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh, wait. There's a chest in here for 2,000 coins.
What
Whoa.
the?
Yeah, look in there.
Holy.
You want to save up for that really quick? Just to kill these fools.
Okay, yeah. Oh. Where are they? Dude, something is like smashing onto the floor, like trying to kill
See
him.
that too. Watch out, there's another Charizard.
Yeah. Dude, this guy just dies so easily.
No. Tear through them like banana pudding.
Yeah, because we always tear through that, you know?
Yeah. Always.
Yeet.
Okay, almost there.
How much do you have?
I have 8,000.
8.
I'm sorry. 800.
You have 800? Okay, I have 1,400. So I can buy it soon. 8,000.
You're like, what?
What are you doing? Go buy it. Where are they? Wow.
I'll let you get it
Yeah, I'll get it.
because like I'll let you keep it, whatever it is, because
Oh,
I was actually getting a lot of the chests.
that's alright. I don't
I was
mind.
hogging them for myself.
Dude, this is crazy. There's so much going on.
No. Okay, you have enough now?
No, not yet. I need 400 more. Okay, but we're getting there slowly.
Oh, surely. So if I steal your kills, will you get the money or no?
I don't know. Because I'm not killing anything, right? Oh yeah, I'm still getting money though.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah.
Die, fools! Alright.
Okay, 1900.
Close.
Okay, 2000. I just need 200 more. 100 more.
100.
Okay.
Shooting so fast. Alright. That should be enough, right?
Just a little more actually. Wow, there's so many.
That should be enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Let's see what it is.
Oh, the teleporter's right here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out. Wow. Whoa, what the? Get Dio's best friend. You want it?
No, dude. All you.
Cheat death once. Oh,
Oh, wow. Do you know who Dio is?
the rock artist or whatever.
Yeah.
The short
the-
guy.
Yeah, dude, he's the one who inspired Tenacious D.
Yeah. Wasn't he
Jack
in
Black.
Tenacious D?
Yeah, he was in the movie. All right, let's do his teleporter.
Okay, let's go. Oh man, I'm scared.
This better be Satan himself, or
Holy.
Dio.
Whoa.
What
What's
is it?
another one of these chunguses?
Oh, what?
Maybe we got to the very hard bad guy.
Maybe. Oh, Jesus! Wow. We sent this guy to hell, now we came to hell to kill him again.
Holy.
God damn, why would these fuckers leave? Oh, use your Q. That's
Yeah, I already did. Oh, where is it? Oh, there he goes. Rest in peace. Will there be another
Where does he
one?
go now?
I don't know. Where does he go now?
Yeah, dude, I love our little medic drones. They're so cute.
Dude, he has like his little minions trying to like kill us. What have
Yeah.
you done to our lord?
Oh, come over here. You get this little pack.
Where?
Let
Oh.
it drop.
Huh? Where? Oh, this thing? Old War Stealth Kit. Oh, I don't think I can fit anything anymore. Or maybe just one more thing.
It says ×2 at the top. If you already have something,
Oh,
it intensifies the effect.
oh man.
We're on very hard right now, but this
Yeah.
doesn't really feel like very hard.
Yeah. It's kind of felt the same for like 10 minutes or so.
I think it's because of the power-ups we're getting. It's really helping us.
Probably.
Yeah. Taste my lightning, fuckers!
Oh my.
Whoa, man. Alright, let's do it.
It's dipping nuts. Ooh, where are we going now?
Sick as hell.
What the? What the heck?
What the hell?
Dude, there's something chungus coming towards us.
Loop back to the first stage? Oh, this is the first stage. I'm in this place before. Alright, you think we should wrap up this video here?
Wait, we're on insane right now. Wait, okay, yeah. Hold up.
And then we could just have the second one in the next video. Or this round.
Okay.
Alright. Well guys, we'll if you like this, we'll continue the rest of this in the part 2.
Yeah. I can definitely see us playing more of this pretty soon.
Definitely, definitely. So yeah guys, see you guys soon.
Thanks for watching.